So, Slime Pack Nation, this right here is a video in response to my last video where I was talking about selling my car and quitting YouTube. I've been thinking on this for a good little while. I've been thinking about selling my Scat Pack and quitting YouTube for just a little bit. But wait, let me explain to y'all why. Listen, that video was not clickbait. I had recorded that video maybe about 2 or 3 weeks before the video actually aired. I was kind of salty about putting it out, but I figured, I'm sure it's other YouTubers out there that feel the same way I feel. So let me try to, you know, push it out and get some response. And a lot of y'all were very supportive. A lot of y'all just be saying stuff just to get attention. And sometimes I'm petty a little bit. I give the attention, but y'all have to remember, no matter what you say, no matter advice you give, I'm gonna do whatever I want to do. I appreciate everybody's support and everything, so I'm gonna continue to make content. So this week I'm gonna be doing a little car shopping in other car areas besides the Mopar. Of course, you know, I'm gonna be looking into some trucks, maybe some Camaros. I don't know about Mustangs. But I might try to give a Mustang a try. So this week, y'all, I'm gonna be looking at different cars, just shopping around, trying to get a visual. If I want to stay Mopar, if I want to jump into the other side of the car world, like the luxury side. But I'm not very mature for the luxury side yet, because I'm a Mopar girl. You know, I love the loudness. I love the horsepower. I'm not gonna say I love the speed in, but I love the speed that the car comes with. So I might go check out BMW. I got a buddy. He works at BMW or Mercedes is one of them, and I might go check him out this week and see what they got to offer. So basically, I'm about to open up my mind and maybe my content to another world of cars. You know, a lot of cars that y'all haven't seen on my channel, because mostly on my channel it is Mopar. I definitely got to get some truck content because I love trucks. But anyway, I appreciate everybody who commented and gave me advice. Even the people who just said stuff, just stupid stuff. I appreciate you for leaving a comment in my comment section, because it increased my engagement. So listen, y'all, no matter whether you leave a good comment or a bad comment, a thumbs up or a thumbs down, that is a gain for me, because it increases my engagement on YouTube. So no matter what you say, I'm getting the better deal up out of it. Okay, so fast forward to another subject. Why haven't y'all entered into the giveaway? The giveaway is winding down. I think it's about 2 more weeks left for the giveaway. All you have to do is go to slimepack.store, purchase anything on the site, a face mask, a t-shirt, a hoodie, whatever it is, and you'll automatically get entered into the giveaway. You got to make sure you put in your email address. If you don't put in your email address, then how I'm gonna contact you? So make sure you go to slimepack.store, purchase anything off the site. Make sure you enter in your email address, which I think it automatically requires you to do that anyway. And just be subscribed to my channel, watch, like, and comment on my videos, share. And also, whenever y'all get y'all merch, look at that fly. And also, whenever y'all get y'all merch, make sure y'all take pictures and send it to my Instagram at slimepack_392. I will repost it, and I might use it for some little promo. So make sure y'all take good quality pictures and clean your lens off. So I know some of y'all said y'all want to see more of what I do in my personal life, and honestly, y'all already see that is work. Get out for work, edit, go to sleep, get up, record, go back to work. And it repeats daily. Every now and then I may go out of town somewhere, but on a daily basis, work, record, edit, and that's really all to it. you must be a subscriber. Like, come on, you can't jump on this train for free. You gotta be a subscriber. Number 2, you gotta go to CLICKBAIT.store and get anything off the website. Purchasing whatever on the website will automatically enter you into the database to win the camera. Also, enter in your email. I think it automatically requires you to enter your email, so you will receive your tracking order and everything for when you order the t-shirts. So that's how I will be contacting you, by email. There will be a video saying that I have picked the winner. Number 3. What's number 3? Just comment on every video, watch every video, like every video. That's all I ask. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, go to CLICKBAIT.store and purchase anything off the site. I need y'all support just like y'all need my support. Watch, like, and comment on every video. That's all I ask.